as we have seen in earlier video, that plastic waste reuse is the need of today's fast-changing shortcut life. So to spread awareness about plastic waste reuse, we have conducted workshops in school and got huge response. Now we are trying to give livelihood to the underprivileged women by giving them workshop about how to make best out of waste like planters, decorative items, paper bags, etc., and then selling them in exhibitions. Crafts and want to purchase it, then it will be a great help to those needy women. Please help us to create awareness about our environment and give those women an opportunity to live their life with respect and dignity. In this way, we are trying to bring some positive change in society. If you like our work, please do like, share and comment about your views.